Hey food lovers, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen where we turn your culinary dreams into reality. Today we're diving into the tantalizing world of Korean cuisine with a spicy shrimp dish that's gonna rock your taste buds. Ready to get spicy? Let's do this. First things first, let's talk shrimp. We've got 1 pound of large peeled and deveined shrimp. These bad boys are about to get a flavor makeover. In a bowl, mix up a marinade with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice wine, or dry sherry if you're feeling fancy, half a teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Toss the shrimp in and give them a nice little soak. Let them marinate for about 15 minutes. Think of it as their spa day before the big performance. While our shrimp are getting pampered, let's whip up a sauce that's going to bring the heat. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of gochujang, the Korean red chili paste that's basically the Beyonce of condiments. Add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Adjust the cayenne to your taste. Unless you're feeling daring, then go all in. To this mix, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of water. Stir it all up until it's smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. Now heat up a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Time to give our shrimp their big break. Add them to the skillet and cook until they turn pink, about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook them, nobody likes rubbery shrimp. Once they're looking pretty, take them out and set them aside. Next, it's veggie time. In the same skillet, add a bit more oil if needed. Toss in a sliced medium onion and a sliced bell pepper. Stir fry these for about 3 to 4 minutes until they start to soften. If you're feeling colorful, any bell pepper will do. We don't discriminate here. Now let's reunite our shrimp with the veggies. Return the shrimp to the skillet and pour the sauce over everything. Give it a good stir to coat all the ingredients well. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the shrimp are fully cooked and the sauce has thickened up a bit. To finish, add some chopped green onions to the skillet and give it one last stir. Garnish with sesame seeds and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro if you're feeling extra. And there you have it, Korean spicy shrimp that's as delicious as it looks. This is the real deal, folks. Perfect with steamed rice or noodles. For the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And remember, life's too short for boring food. Stay spicy, my friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment. See you next time on Kelvin's Kitchen.